Ladies and gentlemen, what if I told you that your relationships could become stronger, happier, and more fulfilling, starting today? You heard me right. With just a few simple daily habits, you can turn a good relationships into a great one and rescue a relationship that feel like on the brink of collapse. You are welcome to my channel, Built for Greatness. To our returning subscribers, I say a big thank you to you for your continued support of this channel, and please, don't forget to like and share this video, to spread the love that we practice here. And if you're new here, you're welcome to the family. I want you to kindly hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss out on tips to elevate your health, wealth, and relationships. In today's video, we're diving into 10 daily habits that will strengthen your relationships. From romantic partnerships, to family ties, to friendships, these habits are universal and powerful. Therefore, I will advise you to stay till the end of this video because habit number 10 might just be the game changer you've been waiting for. Let's kick things off with habit number 1, and that is the 10 seconds compliment. The 10 seconds compliment. Every day, take just 10 seconds out of your day to genuinely compliment someone you care about. The trick here is to be specific. Instead of just saying, "You're amazing," instead say, "I admire how you always stay calm under pressure," or "I love how your smile lights up the room." Why is this so effective? It is due to the fact that compliments boost one's self-esteem and show that you're paying attention. The truth of the matter is, when people feel seen and appreciated, they naturally feel closer to you. Think about it. When was the last time someone gave you a compliment that made your day? Now imagine being the person who spreads that joy daily. It's free, it's simple, and it works wonders. If you're in a relationship or married, make sure to always compliment your partner's cooking. This might be your spouse, fiancé, or fiancée, as the case may be, even if they've managed to burn water before you gave the compliment. Trust me, it's the thought of hearing the compliment by your partner that counts. Habit number 2 is all about the check-in. The check-in. You check in when you take out time during your busy day to genuinely ask, "How are you?" Or, "Is there anything I can do for you today?" The beauty of this habit lies in its simplicity. It's not about solving problems or giving advice, it's about showing you care. A quick check-in can turn someone's bad day around, and it only takes a moment. For instance, if your partner had to work late at work, you should send a text saying, "I am just checking in to see how you're holding up. In case you need assistance, I want you to know that I'm here if you need anything." You might think doing this is inconsequential, however, I want you to realize small efforts like these add up to a big impact. Habit number 3 is to laugh together every single day. Laugh together every single day. Laughter is the shortest distance between two people. You can watch a funny movie, tell a silly joke, or laugh at your own mistakes. I remembered a time I accidentally called my wife by my sister's name during a conversation, which made her laugh so hard, to the extent that she had teary eyes. That incident became one of those moments we still joke about till date. See, my friend? Your mistakes can turn into cherished memories when humor is involved. Dear friends, listening is an art, and that's why habit number 4 is active listening. Active listening. When someone talks to you, make sure you listen attentively, and don't just wait for your turn to speak. During the course of the conversation, make eye contact, nod your head, and use phrases like, "I understand you," or "That makes sense." Ladies and gentlemen, listening isn't just about hearing words, it's about understanding emotions. And know for a fact that, when people feel heard, they feel valued. Remember, though, active listening doesn't mean interrupting with statements like, "I know exactly how you feel, let me tell you my story." Ensure you allow the speaker pour out their hearts and say whatever they have to say, and make sure you understand what they are saying. Ladies and gentlemen, let's dive into habit number 5, morning connection. Morning connection. Did you know that how you start your day can set the tone for your relationships? A simple morning routine, shared with your loved ones, can create a ripple effect of positivity throughout the day. Imagine this: instead of rushing out the door or going straight to emails, you can take just 5 minutes to connect with your partner, family member, or even a friend. Whether it's sharing a cup of coffee, offering a warm hug, or simply saying, "Good morning, I hope you have a great day," these moments strengthen your bond. For couples, try sitting together for breakfast, if it's just a slice of toast and coffee. For families, a quick group check-in, like sharing something you're excited about for the day, can bring everyone closer. And if you're in a long-distance relationship, send a thoughtful good morning text to let them know they're the first person on your mind. Dear friends, habit number 6 is one of my personal favorites: surprise acts of kindness. Surprise acts of kindness. There's nothing quite like the joy of an unexpected gesture, whether it's a small note tucked into a lunchbox, an impromptu gift, or simply helping out with a task without being asked. Surprises keep relationships fresh and exciting. They show your loved ones that you're thinking about them and that you value their happiness. For example, leave a sticky note on your partner's mirror saying, "You're going to crush it today." Or surprise a friend by sending them their favorite snack through a delivery app. Small, thoughtful actions often mean more than grand gestures. I remember the time I tried to surprise my mom by cleaning the kitchen, but I used the wrong spray and left the floor so slippery she almost went skating. Thankfully, she laughed it off, and yes, I never made that mistake again. Let's talk about habit number 7, express gratitude. Express gratitude. Ladies and gentlemen, when was the last time you said a thank you for something small, like your partner cooking dinner, your friend listening to you vent, or even a stranger holding the door? Gratitude is one of the simplest ways to show appreciation, and it's incredibly powerful in strengthening relationships. When you express gratitude, you acknowledge the other person's effort, time, or presence. It's like saying, "I see you, and I value what you've done." This makes people feel loved and respected. Here's a challenge: every day, thank someone for something they did, even if it's routine. Say, "Thanks for always being there for me," or "I really appreciate how hard you work for our family." Watch how their face lights up. Just like yesterday, I remembered when my daughter thanked me for teaching her how to ride a bike, 10 years after the fact. I laughed, but it still warmed my heart. It's never too late to say thank you. Habit number 8, ladies and gentlemen, is a game changer. Spend quality time together without distractions. Spend quality time together without distractions. In our hyper-connected world, it's easy to be physically present, but mentally somewhere else, scrolling through social media or checking emails. But when you put the devices down, magic happens. Set aside 30 minutes daily, where you switch off your phones. Use this time to talk, play a board game, or simply sit together without distractions. For couples, a device-free dinner is a great starting point. For families, have a no-phone rule during game night. And for friends, make a pact to leave the phones in your bags when you're hanging out. At one time, I told my teenage son to switch off his phone for us to have a heart-to-heart talk. After I told him to switch off his phone, he gave me a look like I'd just asked him to give up breathing. But after 20 minutes of phone-free conversation, he admitted, this isn't so bad. Next is habit number 9, share goals and dreams. Share goals and dreams. One of the most beautiful parts of any relationship is growing together. Sharing your hopes and dreams not only helps you understand each other better, but also creates a sense of teamwork and shared purpose. Whether it's planning a vacation, saving for a house, or simply dreaming about the future, these conversations build deeper connections. Set aside time to talk about your aspirations. For example, couples can create a vision board together. Friends can discuss their bucket lists. And families can plan goals like a yearly trip or a new project. And finally, habit number 10, end the day with love. End the day with love. No matter how busy, stressful, or chaotic your day was, make it a point to end on a positive note. Say, "I love you," give a goodnight kiss, or send a thoughtful message. This habit ensures that your last interaction of the day is one of kindness and connection. Couples can share a bedtime ritual, like a 5 minutes conversation about the best part of their day. Parents can tuck their kids in with a story or prayer. Even friends can send a quick text like, "Good night, thanks for being amazing." So, let's recap. 1. Compliment daily. 2. Check in with care. 3. Laugh together. 4. Practice active listening. 5. Start your mornings with connection. 6. Surprise them with kindness. 7. Show gratitude daily. 8. Spend quality time without distractions. 9. Share your goals and dreams. 10. End the day with love. These habits might seem simple, but when practiced consistently, they have the power to transform any relationship. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we'd love to hear from you. Which habit are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, share it with someone who needs a little relationship inspiration, and subscribe to Built for Greatness. Hit that bell icon so you'll be notified whenever we upload new videos. Until next time, stay connected and stay great.